Okay, Fred found all the stuff in the box he said he didn't have.
Why do you even do that? That's not even me. That's just me.
Then he's got these old junky blocks here that somebody painted that have 5,700 miles on them that he wants to get rid of. And here's the shitty lifters to go with them. What else are we getting rid of over here? Got rocker arms and shit? You getting rid of all this crap too?
No. We're using rocker arms.
How about this nasty oil pressure switch that don't work on the bike no more? I'm going to steal that for my race bike. Yeah, I like this. Here's the other lifter.
You could use this one. Check these through.
Oh, look at that. These are brand new ones. There's the other lifter. There's the other lifter. Okay, it's a brand new set of lifters and blocks.
Nearly new.
6,700 miles. Brand new.
No, 5,700.
Oh, 5,700. Excuse me. They're almost worn out. Look at that. Nice box, too. You can put in an S&S billet box right there? Yeah, put it in that box. What else we got to get rid of in this bike? No. What about these brand new oil pump fittings? You going to keep those? Okay, that's enough screwing around. We got work to do.
Let's get it done, man. Okay. Get it done. I'm tired.
Okay, if we're going to use these custom oil lines, why do you put that stupid fitting in there?
I'll take it out.
And Fred didn't like his bent gasket.
I didn't say I didn't like my bent gasket. I said the gasket was bent.
4 screws. 2 screws. We're still missing 1 screw. That's a full set of 4, and this is a full set of 2. And we had 1. Where's the other screw, Fred?
I don't know.
Where's the other one?
What?
I'm up to 3. I have 3 screws.
You know, I had 1 on each one of these blocks, and then somebody took the blocks out and put them away, so...
Uh-oh.
What do I do?
You're blaming it on somebody else again.
Yeah, that'd be...
He abandoned his motor here, and now he can't find his screws. We're going to have to do something for a screw. While you're missing your missing screw. So go grab me a 1/4-inch Allen someplace so we can at least get it together.
1/4-inch Allen?
Yes.
Give this a bit of a tap.
What? No, I need a 1/4-inch Allen. So hurry up. Needs to be this length right here. 7/8 or 3/4, whatever that is. Okay, these are our Evo conversion pieces from S&S. That's why we have the Evo cam. That's why we have that Evo cam right in there in our shovelhead motor. So these lifter blocks convert you over to Evo geometry, so you can run an Evo cam. And they also use a bone stock Evo lifter, so you can go down to any Harley Davidson dealer and get a lifter. Of course, now they don't stock parts for Evos, so you have to go aftermarket still. But Evo lifters are pretty easy to come by. They also fit 5-speed Sportsters maybe for, what year did they do that? Oh, before 90. To be a 4-speed Sportster then. I don't think Fred cleaned these either. Fred, did you clean these lifters? Did you clean out these blocks?
I thought I did, yeah.
This one's pretty tight. I think there's something. I think there's got a bird in here someplace.
I cleaned and knurled them.
Clean and knurled? Alright, that's going to take 2 hands to do that one. Alright, Fred's over there getting lost to find the first screw. Find the screw yet? Good. Ooh, these are the good blue ones. They don't make these ones anymore. This is an old lifter kit, so it's got old parts in it. Yeah, look at, we got the nice blue ones. These are the good blue Teflon ones. Fred, you got the good gaskets.
Did I get the good gasket?
Yep. These are the best ones. I like these. These are the best gaskets they made for you doing the job. Those are even better than those format ones they make, or the James rubberized ones. Okay, here's our crane lifter we're putting in here. And I think there's a slight burr up on this one somewhere. I'll have to check that out in a minute. Okay. I think Fred's lost again. Okay, get over here and do this. I got work to do.
I know.
I'm not going to wait a half hour for you to go find a stupid screw that would take you 5 seconds to get.
I know it took me 5 seconds to get here.
There you go.
I found the ugliest one I could find.
Perfect.
Okay, what are we doing next?
And for some reason, this doesn't want to work.
What doesn't want to work?
Did you hear that?
Yeah.
Thought you cleaned these. Yeah, looks better. That's better than it was before.
Yeah.
I'll burn it. Still got a little bit of something on it.
I'm bouncing around with all this.
See the lemon right there?
Yep. Maybe that's where it's at. On the inside.
Everything has to be fine-tuned around here.
I'm glad I have to get up tomorrow.
Look at that.
I mean, I will wake up tomorrow at 3 in the
Taking all
morning.
those burrs off, they're going to keep working nice and free. Look at that. How many more of these are burred up? Stuck up.
Uh-huh.
Tight fit. Like those.
There you go. That one's okay.
Yeah, the other one came out. There's that one that had a little burr on it. Production error.
Or bouncing around there.
Yep.
You know you got a cut on the back of one of those
Oh,
fingers. You might want to be...
is that the one I was jamming in the hole there?
Yeah, that one.
You got blood on it yet? No. It's
No.
not good. It's hard to tell the blood from the oil. One sets up though.
One dries and...
The other one doesn't.
Yeah. Why aren't we taking this damn fitting off before? Never mind.
I was working on these.
It's fine. You can always put a socket on it.
Nope.
I really don't know why we need the oil lines right this minute. We can't put them on until we get the heads on.
We could.
But they're just going to be in the way.
That's true.
So, keep moving.
I was.
Moving on.
Get those nice blue Teflon gaskets. Like those?
Yeah. Are you not going to use them?
Nope. Nope. I'm gonna use my rusty ass, worn out, torn one. Oh, that's it.
That's fine.
Or maybe I'll take this fitting out instead.
I loosened it up for you.
Thank you. Good job.
Oh, man.
Are we gonna leave that one in too?
We just put that one in,
No,
didn't
we
we?
did not.
No, we didn't.
No, we did not.
Do we need to leave that one in?
Yeah, it works good. It's already in there.
Fine. Fine, just leave it in.
See, we have this chroma line over here.
Well, then why wouldn't we put the chrome one in?
It might conflict with it. It might match the case as well. Hose goes to here, so you're not gonna see that much
Yeah,
of
I
it.
know. Don't
You
keep...
want the chrome one?
No, don't loosen it. No. Don't loosen it. Leave it.
Okay. You sure?
I'm freaking positive.
Okay, I was just making sure.
Putting more goop in there. Gobbledygook.
Gobbledygook.
Lubricant. Paint. Lubricant.
Yep. Exactly. It's high performance. Obsolete crane lifters.
Absolutely new.
Obsolete. Can't buy them no more.
Absolutely new.
Closed out. Discontinued item. Cut them off at their prime.
Well.
Oh well. It's a good thing you got a set, right?
Yep.
Oops. I got oil on my workbench. Got oil on my hands too.
Where's all your red rags? You running out of them?
Yeah. I got these ones. They're free.
Free from Fred.
Nope.
No, that was somebody else.
No, those came from Randy.
Randy is in...
Racing Randy. You don't know him. Actually, you might. You're probably some of the racers. You're at the races.
Yep.
Okay, which one's this one?
Taking a wild guess. The rear.
Which one's this one?
That's the front.
How do you know?
Because it says F right there.
What about this one?
That would be rear.
How do you know?
Because it has an R on it.
Ours over here, not on this side.
How do I know that? Because it says R on it. R for race.
That's it.
Oh, I'm so tired.
For racing.
So it appears you're going to use those Teflon gaskets.
Oops. Why did I do that?
I don't know. You put it in ass backwards? Back asswards?
You took my rag. Hey, the rag's turning red, Fred.
It's got some Earl on it.
Might be blood.
That would be front because it's got a big F on it.
Okay, and it fits the
Or
block.
forward.
And it matches the block, too.
Or from the...
Look at those. Fancy,
Yeah.
fancy parts. Got oil on my bench.
It's that ugly black one in the bag. I knew you were going to... I should have said, put it in the front, and then you'd have put it in the back. I should have done the opposite. Just to get it. Why are you cutting the back again?
Remember, somewhere it's floating around.
I know.
If I put it in the back, it's going to stay in the back.
Okay.
If I put it in the front,
You might see it again.
I'm probably going to put it in the back.
Find the one.
Because it's either in your box of crap or it's in Mario's box of crap. Because the other two pieces of crap that were over on the rack over there. Or it's in some of those boxes you just tried to throw away. Which I have to go through and make sure you didn't leave them.
I didn't throw anything away.
Now the socket that is using not in the bucket is still here because we just used it. The Mario's not there last week. Maybe it was the week before, I forget. So how do we do these?
Slug them up?
Nope.
But
Try again.
gotta make sure you line them.
Ah, there's that.
How do I know that?
So where's your genuine crane alignment tool that we have?
Oh man, I think I left it at home.
I think it's up in all of the rest of them up front. We can try to sell them to somebody. Because I don't use them.
Well, we do need alignment.
We do have about 70 of them though if you need anyone.
What, alignment tool?
Yeah.
Oh, shoot.
There used to be one in my drawer over here. One of these drawers.
But you don't use them
I
anymore.
don't use them. Okay, so I just take them and jiggle. And halfway between the jiggle, that's where I tighten them.
Oh, half a jiggle.
Kind of the same way that the alignment tool works. Look how much faster it was. I didn't have to go screw a damn bolt in and out.
Shortcuts, man. See, this guy I work with, he wouldn't be happy with you because he doesn't believe in shortcuts. He said, no
Now, this one here has very little movement in it.
No more shortcuts. All long cuts.
Is that the Jeep guy?
No, this is
Oh, it
the
worked.
new job I got stuck with, job
Oh.
that nobody wants to do. That I'm going to do better than anyone. Even the knucklehead that wrote a 90-page.
He's the one that knows how to do it. He knows how
no,
not
he's
to
the
do
one
it.
who was doing it. I'm telling you, I don't think he knew what he was doing.
You find out.
I guess I could get in trouble.
Well, there's a reason why he put it onto you because he got tired of screwing with it.
No, he left town. Both of them went to... He left town and then left it, the guy he left it to.
Oh,
Left town too. They both went to Europe.
he hauled ass.
And the guy that went for Europe comes up to me on Friday and goes, oh, guess what? You have this job now. I'm like, well,
Put the money around, huh?
what is it? He goes, well, you know, you've done one of these before. I said, no, I didn't. I didn't have to do it. I didn't have to do that paperwork. He goes, oh, well, you're going to have to do it now.
There you go.
You're in charge.
Ah, damn it.
You keep hitting that knuckle. That's not much fun.
Look at the goo coming out of that now.
Ooh, that's some stupid.
Right, look at that. Got goo on your thread right there.
Yeah, I think
Did you get a close-up of that? I demarked Fred's case. Look at that. Got DNA sample on that. Look at them lifters going up in that. Damn, I hit my finger again, Fred.
Why do you keep hitting your finger?
Because I'm looking at an angle so you can see it. Usually I'm going this direction so I can see it, but I'm over here so you can see it. You're making me
But that might have been pointed over there, not even see it at all.
I just put more crap on the floor. Yeah, look at that finger. It's getting more.
I think you need to...
Well, it's lasted all day without bleeding yet, so that's a good sign.
All right, so our engine is just about together. Well, the bottom end.
Well, you don't have the cylinders on it yet like Mario's.
The bottom end is together.
The bottom end seems to be assembled to this point.
I think we can call it an evening, huh?
So now we have to get Gino over here to polish it up to make it clean. Somewhere you have your O-rings that go up in here that we're supposed to put in here to keep the crap out of the holes. Which I'm sure you know where those are at, right?
Hmm?
That's about what I figured.
Hmm?
Yep.
Okay.
So where's your clean rag we're going to put over top of this to keep it clean? I'm thinking maybe this one right here.
Okay. That would be good. That's a holy rag. How about this one? That's a holy rag. That's not a holy rag.
Oh.
Religious rags. Very holy.
Can I get the lid off of it?
Oh.
All right, there it goes.
It's still spinning.
Going to sleep.
Oh, my baby.
Tuck in for the night.
Go to sleep. Sleep well.
There you go. One more motor.
Sleep well. 79 shovel. Low mileage.